अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
मैं हूं मोहम्मद नौशरवान और होम स्कूलिंग विद शानजे एंड शायान में आपको एक बार फिर खुश आमदेद कहता हूं। जिन बच्चों ने और जो है हमारे देखने वालों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, वो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मज़े मज़े के असबाक से जो है लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हैं। टुडे आवर ग्रेड इज़ 10th class and subject is mathematics, and our chapter or unit name is quadratic equation. So students, you already know how we will solve the equation, and here I am talking about the quadratic equations. So student, solution of equation or solution of quadratic equation. So how many ways we can solve the quadratic equation, student?
3.
Three ways. First way is
Factorizing.
factorizing. Second,
By completing square.
by completing square. Third,
And quadratic formula.
quadratic formula. So these are the three methods by which we can solve the quadratic equation. So today we will reduce the equation into the quadratic form. Then we will solve it by factorizing method, by completing square method, or by quadratic formula. So there are 5 types in which we can solve the quadratic form reducible. So today we will discuss the first form and then we will solve it and check it. Type 1. Type 1 is in this form: ax4 plus bx square plus c is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. But in quadratic equation, as by name you know, quadratic mean 2. So in quadratic form or quadratic equation, the power is 2. But here you are seeing that there is the power is 4 and the smallest power is 2. So we will take or substitute it. We will say, let's suppose x square is equal to y. But here we have also the x4. So we will take square of this, then we will put the value of the y. We will take an example, and by example you will learn how we can solve this. So this is the example. x4 minus 5x square plus 4 is equal to 0. So let x square is equal to y. But here you need the value of the x4 by taking the square of both sides. We will label this equation as equation 1. So when you are taking this square, so x4 value is equal to y square. So you will put these two values, putting x is equal to y and x raised to power 4 is equal to y square in equation 1. This is your equation 1. So now you can write the equation 1 like this: y square minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, student, you can solve this equation by either any three methods. So we will solve it by the factorizing method. So in factorizing method, you will multiply first term with the last term, y square into 4, so plus 4y square, and you will make two factors of this, that you will get minus 5y. So minus 4 minus 1, this is minus 5y. And again by multiplying this, minus into minus plus, you will get. So instead of 5y, you can write these two factors. By taking y common, here minus 1, so this part is common, y minus 4 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now either y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y minus 4 is equal to 0. If y minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, or y minus 4 is equal to 0, so y is equal to 4. So you found the solution of which equation? This equation, y. But we need to find the solution of this equation. There y solution is 1 and 4. But you know y is equal to x square. So now instead of y, you will write 1, or x square is equal to 1 by taking square root. So x square root both sides. So you will get the value x is equal to plus minus 1. And by here y is equal to x square. So here now you will put the value 4x square. X square is equal to 4 by taking square root both sides. X square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2. So as there is the highest power is, student, 4. So we will 4 solution of this equation. So you will find two solution. This solution set is plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. So this is the your answer. By putting these any of this value in this equation, you can check if it will be 0. So your answer is right. Thank you very much, and you will do more question with this type in from exercise. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.